Welcome to another session. We have been solving exercise 3.1. So this is the last problem from 3.1. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. I start with the assumption let apples be x, grapes be y. And the first equation, let's write the first equation from the first situation, which says the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes, which is rupees 160. So 2x plus 1 kg grapes, y equals 160. This is first equation. So what is the second situation? The cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Let's write the second equations. 4 kg apples plus 2 kg grapes equals 300. So this is second equation. Here we just represented the situation algebraically. Let's move on to the geometric method. The first equation, which is 2x plus y. Let's find out the vertices x comma y. Here I am going to take the value 50, 60, 70. Any value here, but it must be bigger value. So let's try solving. So 2 into 50 plus y equals 160. 100 plus y equals 160. So y equals 160 minus 100. Y equals 60. So I write the 60. For 60, I substitute the value 60 in the equation. So 120 plus y equals 160 and y equals 160 minus. I got y equals 40. If x equals 70, 2 into 70, I get 20. So I substitute here. So this is our vertices 50, 60, 60, 40 and 70, 20. Let's find out the vertices for the second equation, which is 4x plus 2y equals 300. Here I am going to substitute some value for 70, 80 and 90, whatever it is. For the last equation also we took everything in the positive value. So 50, 60, 70. So here also in the last equations we chose the positive value only, 50, 60, 70, not the negative value. So I want to take the same positive values for this equation also. But anything you can take, even negative values also. Okay, let's try. If x equals 70, in the first equation, 4 into 70 into 2y equals 300. 280 plus 2y equals 300. And 2y equals 300 minus 280. Y equals 100. If x equals 80, 4 into 80 into 2y equals 300. 320 plus 2y equals 300. So 2y equals minus 100. If x equals 90, 490 plus 2y equals 300. 360 plus 2y equals 300. So y equals minus 60 by 2. I get minus 30. Here the vertices are 70, 10 and 80, minus 10 and 90, minus 30. Next step, let's plot the graph using those vertex. So I mark the value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. From the first equation we got the point which are 50, 60. So for x coordinate 50 and y coordinate 60. So here it is exactly this way. For 60, 40, x coordinate 60 and y coordinate 40, which means here. For the third vertex 70, 20, the x coordinate here and y coordinate here. Join the points using straight line. This is our 2x plus 2x plus y equals 160 straight line. For the next equation, I am going to plot the graph, which are the first point 70, 10, so which means x coordinate 70, y coordinate 10, which is here, and 80, minus 10. So 80, minus x coordinate 80, y coordinate minus 10, which is here, and 90, minus 30. So x coordinate 30, y coordinate minus 30. So here. This is our straight line for 4x plus 2y equals 300. So hence we proved that, hence we represented the situation, both situation algebraically and geometrically.